that's Marika, then we have Lucy, Kireet, Kabir, and we have Ankita. So all four of us at Parmananda today. Early in the morning, we've decided to do 108 sun salutations, and look at the setup here. The sun's rising right there on the east. We are on the streets entering the ashram. Alright, so 108 is the target with a sense of gratitude. One of us is going to do the prayer. That's a beautiful ritual to start your day with mantras. Alright, see, mantra is a compact prayer. Alright, what we're going to do today, we're going to start our sun salutations with a mantra coordinated first round. What that means is we will connect our body, mind with our breath, with the mantra, and as we inhale, as we exhale, as we contract, as we expand our body, we're going to feel those vibrations in every single cell of our body. Right? So yeah, gratitude to this moment that it is happening. All of us, let's get on the mat with a lot of energy. Alright? Sometimes our ego makes us do what our body is not fit, at that moment. Alright, look at this, we are working as a team, but we must listen to our bodies. The front two guys started feeling that their body needs a break, so without any expression of ego, they are just, sitting on the mat, looking at the sun. That is also an expression of sun salutations, prayers. Alright, so this is what yoga teaches us, balance in every aspect of our life. If your body is telling you something, you listen. Last one. Come back to the Namaskar. Now we have Ankita, Amana Anand here, all the way from Kolkata, India here. What's one thing that you really, really liked?
The energy that that was there here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right now you're feeling totally charged up, connecting with the sun.
Absolutely.
The outer sun is symbolic, but the real goal is to awaken the sun deep within.
From inside.
Did you feel those energies?
Yes,
Did you
I
feel
do.
the union?
Yes, I do.
And what are you doing here in India, all the way from Poland? She's teasing me. This is a nice shot towards the end, alright? So yeah, all the way from Poland. How was your experience this morning with the sun salutations?
Well, I felt like a newborn
Really?
person today. Yeah.
Wow.
When the suns go up, you feel the energy and you feel that you want to live.
Right. Have you ever done 108 sun salutations before?
No.
How was the energy today?
It was really strong energy.
Lucy was here to do 108 sun salutations, and every single sun salutation she was on the go. How was your experience, Lucy?
It was amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What did you
Yeah.
feel?
I feel a lot of energy, good energy, and especially when we do it outside under the sun and we look up how the sun rises is really amazing. And you lead it very well.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you,
Yeah,
thank you.
thank
I see you were laughing a lot and there was a lot of hee hee ha ha going on. What was that all about?
Yeah, you lead it very well. That we have to bring in all the positive energy, bring in and let out all the negative energy.
Yes. So today was very unique day, you know,
Happiness
happiness within, you know. So we kind of did a laughter sun salutation few rounds, and in which we were just
It
giggling
feels
away.
really great.
Yeah, what would you say to other people, you know, should they be doing sun salutations every day?
Yes, sun salutation is actually very good practice to awaken the body and to loosen up all the muscles and to have all this energy and good experiences within.
Great. So we can hear that, you know, the world is loving Surya Namaskars. We have Lucy all the way from Hong Kong. She did 108 Surya Namaskars with us today. There was a lot of positive energy, such a good vibe. So yeah, thank you everyone.